In this video, we will learn to factorize the expression 8x cubed plus 27. We know that 8 can be written as 2 cube and 27 can be written as 3 cube. So, the given expression can be written as 2x whole cube plus 3 cube. Look that it is in the form of a cube plus b cube, and the formula of a cube plus b cube is given here, which is a plus b times a square minus ab plus b square. We will apply this formula here with a is equal to 2x and b is equal to 3. Then this will be equal to 2x plus 3 times 2x whole square minus 2x times 3 plus 3 square. Simplifying, we will get 2x plus 3 times this is equal to 4x square, and when we multiply it we get 6x and 3 square is 9. As we cannot factorize the second one in a simpler way, this will be the desired factorization of the given expression, and this is our final answer. Thank you for watching.